Hey friends, today we learn how to create post on YouTube. When you have 1k subscriber, you are eligible to post on YouTube. After that, after complete the 1k subscriber, simply click on add icon. Here you see a create a post, simply click on. Then click on text. If you want to add pool, simply click on pool icon. And if you want to add image to your post, simply click on. Select a photo or image you want to share. Click on next. If you want to edit further and add filters, stickers or text, simply edit that, and after edit simply click on next. Then add caption to your post. After add the caption, simply click on post. That's so you can post on YouTube. If you like our video, please subscribe.